Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can block ad in YouTube. So to do that, go ahead and open up YouTube application. Now the user interface will look somewhat like this. So once it's done, go ahead and tap on that U button which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now go ahead and tap on that gear icon which is also represented as settings. Now it will take you to the settings of YouTube. Now in here you can see purchases and membership. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in here you can see the learn more option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now as you can see here, get music premium to listen to music ad free offline and with your screen off. In order to block ad on YouTube, what you have to do is subscribe a premium for YouTube. You can buy the subscription for certain amount monthly. This is the only working method. You have to buy or subscribe to the premium for YouTube. Doing so will only help you block the ad on YouTube. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.